Good morning from Lake Simcoe. Another beautiful summer day, 22 degrees, sun is shining, light breeze coming out of the northwest. We are once again anchored at one of our favorite spots, right by Mara Provincial Park, looking out at the beautiful scenery, swimming. We have boat sandwiches for lunch, nachos for dinner, and just a day full of relaxation. There's quite a lot of activity here today. Fewer boats, maybe because it's a little cooler, but some families enjoying their cottages, and a boat over here with someone wakeboarding, which is quite interesting to watch and enjoy.
I'm gonna jump in.
A lot of time talking about cleaning on the boat. Today we're going to show you how we power wash the bow. The worst part about this is I actually paid to get the boat washed. The exterior of the boat was washed on Wednesday, but just a few days later there's already bird poop all over it. I'm going to pass you over to Karen to take a look at the bird poop while I get the power washer.
Welcome to the bow of the boat. As you can see, while we sleep in a covered dock, all the birds seem to have nests up there, and they really get the whole front covered in bird poop. He stubbed his toe climbing up the stairs.
Stubbed my shin.
He stubbed his shin coming up the stairs. At least we have both shin injuries. I did that jumping off the boat with the very pound that weighted
Now I know
anchor.
why it hurt so much that other day. Yeah. Kylie wants bloopers. This is the power washer. It's a Ryobi power washer. It's battery operated, and effectively you just throw this pipe in the water.
Hold on, they can't see you throwing the pipe in the water.
You just throw this pipe in the water like so, and then you can power wash. And with that, I'll give the power washer to Karen, because Karen's going to do us the honors of cleaning. As you can see, endless amounts of boat cleaning. More cleaning. Now we've got on a brush out to get rid of the stubborn, baked-in bird poop. Sailboat coming right past us, anchored out here. Everyone's enjoying the water and the weather. Let's take a look again. And now more cleaning. boat sandwiches Karen made us for lunch today. Welcome to a Decaboat food review. Today we'll be reviewing Karen's boat sandwiches and rating them from 1 to 10. But first, we sanitize our hands because the lake water is dirty. You want sanitizer?
No.
Oh, you want to get sick?
Yeah.
Okay. Kylie's going first.
Oh god. Apparently I didn't cut it through. Bad rating from the start.
Let's take a look. Today's boat sandwich is a delicious Montreal smoked beef sandwich on a sourdough bread. Kylie's a little upset that her bread is breaking apart, but let me take a bite of
And
mine.
my bread's soggy.
Mmm. The juiciness from the pickles really pops in your mouth as you bite in. And then you get that sweetness from the onion relish and that tanginess from the mustard.
Oh Lord.
That was a fantastic first bite. Let's take a second one. I need a napkin because I just spilled all over my shorts.
Spiller.
I really love a juicy sandwich. I'm going to use my plate so I don't spill again. Let's do a third bite and hopefully this bite is the best bite. Oh God. Oh. It's a little cooler today, and so rather than staying anchored the whole evening, what we're going to do is unanchor now, because Karen's coming in from the water, and as the sun sets and the temperature sets, we might not swim again. So let's watch Karen retrieve the rear anchor, stern anchor. The boat's moving.
Oh my god.
Just drop the anchor, I've got it. Just drop the anchor, save yourself, save yourself.
Yeah, I'll help you lift it.
I've got the anchor, you just come on board.
Well, that got deep quickly.
This is our anchor for the stern. It's a Fortress FX7 fluke anchor.
No, it's FX11, is it not?
No, I'm sure it's the FX7. No, this is our stern anchor. It's a Fortress FX11. It's quite a large anchor, but it's made out of aluminium, so it's much lighter weight than a traditional fluke anchor.
Lighter weight says the person who didn't have to swim with it into deep, deep water. Although it is pretty light, I'll give him that. Count me down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee! Ready?
Yes.
Yeah, I can't stand. This is my proof.
us a review of the lake, Karen.
The lake is good. It's a little cold today. It's not as warm. It's deep. We're very deep. I have been caught off guard at how deep we are about 4 times and almost drowned.
Look how deep we are. Look how deep we are. For reference, I'm 5'2".
I don't often like getting my face and head wet, but I have done that 3 times today, so woo for me. Swimming with the anchor was harder than expected. I didn't expect it to be so hard. Swimming out wasn't so bad. Swimming in, with it, was hard and we quite deep. In case you didn't get that the last 3 times I said it. But it's good. It's fun. It's nice. That's the end of my lake review for today.
Another relaxing Sunday. We've been swimming, we've been eating, we've been chilling in the sun, and we're now packing up, getting ready to go home. Take a look. Obviously the sun doesn't set until like 8 or 9, but we're going to go home a little early so we can prepare for the week ahead. Bye for now.
I'm moving through the sun. I did it all the time. I'm going through the sun. I'm so bad in it done. I'm diving deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm diving deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm diving deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, I'm deep, did it all the time. I'm going through the sun. I'm so bad in it done. I got the fire in the light. I got the fire